Module 2, Customization Studio. Now we will understand the Customization Studio module from which you can explore the Snippets module. Snippets are voice triggers that automatically incorporate predefined text blocks to streamline report generation. To view Snippets, click on Snippets in the left side panel under Customization Studio. The Snippets main screen will open. In the My Snippets tab, you can view all snippets you have created. You can mark snippets as favorites by clicking the star icon. These will then appear under the Favorites tab. All snippets created by your community or team are visible under the Community tab. To create a snippet, click on the Add New Snippet button. Fill in the required fields. Make sure to enter the exact words in the voice trigger field, as these are the phrases you will say to insert the associated predefined text during report generation. Accuracy is crucial to ensure reliable automation. Now add the material required to create the snippet. Click on the Save button. Your snippet is created successfully. To create a snippet with AI, click on the Add New Snippet with AI button. A pop-up will open asking you to describe your snippet needs by typing or by recording by clicking on the Start Recording icon. When you're done recording, click on Create Snippet. The snippet will be generated. This can be viewed in My Snippets.